So what we've done before is kind of 50 to 60 page document, lots of text, lots of technical content. And I think we wanted something that was a bit more digestible for a general audience. Still have that technical content available there for the people who wanted it, but to make it more accessible to the people without a highly technical background and to anyone else who was interested in the work more generally. Feedback's been really positive, actually. I think they're really keen to do something different. There's content in here that they can use to promote their own projects as well, that they can show to other people. And it makes them more aware of how to pitch their work to people outside academia, to people in industry, and even to the general public. It's about raising awareness of some of the sustainability issues, how we can do more to be more sustainable within the steel industry, but also within our wider lives. A lot of the work in Sustain, it covers from data to recycling to very small microscopy and how the steels are designed. And I don't think a lot of people realise the amount of work that goes into making steel products, and this will hopefully help us get some more information out there on social media through more public-facing channels and get some more interest from the supply chain, from other businesses that we might not have considered collaborating with before as well.